Good day and welcome. My name is Enes and I'll be taking you all on Excel. Shout out to Techish Rain. Please like, share and follow. Subscribe to Techish Rain on all social media platforms. Now let's get into it. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. Excel organizes data in columns and rows and allows you to do mathematical functions. Basically, what you just said, Excel organizes data in columns and rows that enables us to do mathematical functions. I'm just repeating myself. So let's go into this. Now to open Excel on your screen, type here Excel in your search bar. If you already have Excel installed, just click on open. It's taking a while. Alright, once that is open, you come here to create your blank workbook. This is to create a new file. You click on it, it will open a new spreadsheet for you, and there you have it. You have a new spreadsheet. Now before we go into this, we need to understand why we need to study Excel. Like a famous man once said, if a purpose of a thing is unknown, abuse is inevitable. So why should we study Excel? What is the purpose of Excel? Excel is the world's most used spreadsheet program. It is used in data analysis, project management, finance and accounting, and so much more. You can also use it for budgeting, visuals and graphs, programming, financial modeling, and much more. These are basically basic things you can do with Excel, but you can do a whole lot with Excel. So much more. You need to have Excel as a skill in these digital times. So without much ado, let's get into it. Now let's make a function. Let's do something on Excel. You can see here this area where the mouse is hovering over, this rectangular area on the top is called our ribbon. Each rectangular box is called a cell. I'll explain that as we progress, but I just want to show you a basic thing we can do. So let's get back into it. This is our function bar. This is where we can edit cells from this particular bar here by highlighting the cells. By clicking on it, we can edit that cell on this page. Let's use this to show what I mean. Equals to 1 plus 1. Once you click your enter, it will turn to 2, because this function bar registers not 2 but 1 plus 1 and calculates it and gives it to us here. Now if we want to do another mathematical function, we also come here, equals to 1 plus 13, which will give us 14 over here. So as you can see, let's do subtraction next. Subtract equals to 3 minus 4 minus 1, and that's basically basic functions you can do with Excel. In the next part, we'll be going into what Excel means, what Excel can do, more on Excel. We'll be covering the ribbon and cells and all the other functions of Excel. I'll see you in the next class. NS